Hello Shiba Army, hello Shiba Inu holders. Welcome back to another video about Shiba Inu token. Guys, I'm very glad to see the Shiba Inu token once again positive in the market, guys, and I believe that these positive changes will be a very profitable for all of you. Anyways, in this video, we're shortly talking about the Shiba Inu price update. What's the price of Shiba Inu? What's the price changes occur in the Shiba? So let me show you guys. But if you are new here, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly click the subscribe button right now for more news and update videos. The current price of Shiba Inu token is about 0.00067 USD dollar. That is the current price of Shiba Inu. Other side, last 1 hour change is positive 4.23%. Last 1 day change is about 42% positive. Last 1 week change is also positive 136%. That's unbelievable, going profitable in the market, guys. So for those people who still are waiting to buy Shiba Inu tokens, I think don't waste your time. Just buy now Shiba Inu token and make a huge profit. And I already predicated in my previous videos, guys, that Shiba Inu in the last week, and now it's also a beginning of a last week. So that's why I recommend that hold. Possibly that tomorrow or next day the Shiba Inu price will take a quick jump. So get ready for this quick jump, guys, and just hold, guys. It's a profit time. It's guys, you know what, Shiba Inu token future is very bright because they already collaborate with a lot of companies. So that's why. And Elon Musk, every time I found this Elon Musk talking about Shiba Inu token, guys. So behind Shiba Inu token also promoted by Elon Musk, so that's clear the future of Shiba is very bright. Anyways, what's your opinion? What's your prediction about Shiba Inu token? Also share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe channel.